Hello everybody, welcome to Kamtek Institute. Today we'll learn as to how to create a table on Excel sheet. आज हम सीखेंगे कि टेबल कैसे बनाते हैं Excel sheet पे. स्टार्ट करते हैं. Supposing I have to create this table which is given over here, wherein there are students, names of the students, marks and class and subjects is given over here. So I have to create this on a new Excel sheet. So we'll open a new Excel sheet. So let us see how many rows and columns are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows and columns are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll open the new Excel sheet. Over there I'll click on any of the cells like this, and since I have to make a table with having 7 rows and 7 columns, so we'll start selecting these rows and columns 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on the right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to go to the option of borders over here and select the option of all borders. So once this is done, we get all the cells where we have to make the table. Now I want to darken the or thicken the outer border, so I'll select the cells once again और click करेंगे borders पे फिर से and then on thick outside borders. So I have thickened the outer border. Now in the top row I have to write class 8th B. So I have to merge these cells. So I'll select these cells and then right click, go to the option of format cells, then alignment, then merge cells, then click on OK. And now I'll type class 8B. Okay. Now select it again and center it. Now here I have to write serial number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, since there are 5 students in the class. Select the cells once again, center it. Now here we have to write the names of the students. So names, and what are the names? The first was Rajesh, then Sonia, then it was Ravi, फिर था Reet, then Shankar, Shankar, and then here we had the subjects English, then maths, then science, then SST, and then Hindi. Now I have to center it, so I'll select this cells again and click on center. So I've done that. Now I'll punch the marks whatever I want to do. Supposing I have to 50 over here, 68 over here, 90 here, and 78 over here. Okay, now if I want to enlarge the table, so what I'm going to do, I'll select these rows first, and now I'll stretch a bit from the bottom, so it is a little enlarged here. Now I want to enlarge this side also, select and then this way. Now I want to increase the font size, so I'll select the table again, and instead of 11 I'll take 14 over here. And once this is done, now I want to color it. Supposing I want to color the top 2 rows with yellow color, so I'll select and go to the option of colors and fill color. Okay, now I want to color these first two columns with blue color. Again go to the option of colors and click on the downwards arrow, and I take this color. Now I want to color the cells where the marks are being punched. So supposing it is to be of green color, again go to the option of color, fill color, click on the downward arrow. I'll take this green color. So that is how we make a table. You can punch the rest of the marks, or the table can be made. इस तरह से table बना सकते हैं. Thank you so much.